The development of vaccines has been one of the great medical successes in disease control and prevention. However, conventional vaccines still have certain limitations, such as suboptimal efficacy. Some of them might be very expensive and laborious to produce, and they are not effective against certain diseases or new pandemic infectious agents. RNA vaccines are based on the use of messenger RNA, which plays a crucial role in the success of protein synthesis. In the development of mRNA vaccines, a protein is introduced into our bodies that we have never seen before, an antigen. In the case of COVID, the antigen is the spike protein on the surface of the virus, and so our immune system learns that this protein is a potential enemy and will fight it when it might find it in the future. The problem with mRNA is that it cannot be administered in a pill or simply injected into the bloodstream, because it would be degraded by nucleases and activate the immune system, believing it to be a pathogen. Nanoparticles have helped encapsulate mRNA, protecting it against degradation and transporting it to take this technology to the next level. COVID vaccines have used lipid nanoparticles to carry the mRNA that codes for the spike protein of the virus. Despite the success of these vaccines, one of their weaknesses is their storage temperature, which must be kept between -20 and -80 centigrade to ensure stability, a real challenge in certain developing countries. Professor María Vallet Regí's group has embarked on the research for a solution using mesoporous silica nanoparticles. Her research team has demonstrated the ability to load, transport, protect, and release different types of nucleic acids for possible treatment of osteoporosis through gene therapy based on gene silencing. In view of the results, Professor Vallet Regí is using this technology to transport DNA plasmids developed by Professor Vicente Larraga and his team in the Spanish National Research Council. Both groups are developing a vaccine in which the DNA is transported by these mesoporous nanoparticles, and the body itself manufactures the COVID antigen, so that the immune system learns to defend itself. This vaccine can be stored at room temperature, which is a great advantage for developing countries. It can also be administered through a patch or with pressure. It is essential to vaccinate the most disadvantaged populations with difficulties for keeping the cold chain in order to reduce the appearance of potentially dangerous strains. Until all of the world's population is vaccinated, COVID will not be eradicated.